Okay, when the weather heats up, this is the place to be. It is the Foxboro North Regional Park. It sits in the north side of Foxboro here in Utah and in North Salt Lake. This is where everyone comes to have a great time. So there will be kids everywhere having so much fun, and you've got like the splash pad going on, and then of course you have the big park in the background. There's a whole bunch of filled area where kids can run and play, and then there's also a pavilion that you could rent if you want to have a big party here. Foxboro North Recreational Park is located in Foxboro, North Salt Lake City, Utah, and it's a vibrant park, a perfect destination for outdoor fun and relaxation. Spanning across open green spaces, this park offers a wide array of amenities and activities to suit everyone's preferences. During the summer season, from Memorial Day through Labor Day, there's a thrilling splash pad, which provides escape from the heat, with operation hours of 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. on weekdays and Saturday from 12 to 6, and on Sunday. You can enjoy endless splashes and water play. For sports enthusiasts, the park features a basketball court and a soccer field, providing ample opportunities for friendly competition and active recreation. This is a well-maintained walking trail, perfect for leisure strolls or invigorating jogs amidst the natural beauty of the park. When hunger strikes, join the food trucks on Mondays from 5 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Explore a variety of cultural delights from a rotating selection of food trucks, making your park visit a flavorful experience. If you're planning a gathering or a picnic, the park offers large boweries and picnic tables where you can comfortably enjoy your meal, fire up the grill, and provide the savory deliciousness of a barbecue. Families with children will appreciate the playground, complete with engaging play structures to keep little ones entertained and delighted. Additionally, there's a power source conveniently located throughout the park for charging needs. Come and experience a vibrant atmosphere of the park, where you can make lasting memories with the family and friends. Whether you're seeking thrilling water fun, engaging in sports activity, enjoying a picnic, or simply taking a leisurely walk, this park is for you. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest updates on South Davis County, Utah. Be among the first to gain exclusive insights and insider information by liking and subscribing. On my website, you'll find additional links providing a wealth of information to enhance your knowledge and experience. The link is in the description below. Feel free to comment with any requests for information about the area. Let me know what specific things you're interested in learning more about. Your feedback will help me shape the content of my future episodes, ensuring that I provide you with the most valuable and enjoyable insights.